Camp Fundamentals number 2, rocker step.
This morning we're going to study a rocker step. We'll show the rocker step off of a pivot and then various uses and determining factors about using the rocker step. Here goes. We're on a pivot. Put the ball on our hip, hesitate, and then go. This little hesitation, the defense relaxes and then you're able to go right by him. It's basically a footwork move. Almost drive, then fully drive. Reach foot, push foot, pivot foot, and then you head to the basket. Here's what it looks like from the top of the key. The footwork on this is absolutely critical, and the way you develop footwork is to do this one little step, then the second step to go. Sometimes you have to make X's on the ground. 1 foot, 2 feet go. Okay. Sometimes you put X's on the court. First foot, bam, second step, and you go. But the footwork has to be exact to get the emphasis. If the left foot is a pivot foot, right leg, and go. This first one causes the defense to relax. The second one lets you get right by him. Another thing that's important to mention is this. Before the ball even gets here on a pass, I'm looking under there to see if it's open or if there's a player in my way. Then I have to gauge, if there's no player in the way, I've got to get the ball close enough to my defender such that the rocker step works and I can get by him for the layup. If there is somebody under there, I might want to back up a little bit so I can get the jumper. If I don't have either one, I got to pass somewhere. But all that's done before you get the pass. You got to know what's going on, what you want to do, what's possible to do prior, and then as soon as you get the pass, you can make the move. Phil Jackson said, if you have the ball longer than 3 seconds, it favors the defense. You got to make that move in 3 seconds or less and get going to win that game, or do your rocker step or whatever. Remember, at the center jump circle, when you catch the ball, you don't just take off running. That would be called traveling. The same is true anywhere you catch the ball on the court. And at the free throw line extended, it's often wise to start close to the lane and break out to receive the pass. Break out, you caught the ball, spin on 1 foot, free foot, spin foot. So you pivot anywhere you get the ball on the court. Pivot, and the initial move then is right to the layup, just like it is at the center court. So start in here, move up, break out, catch the pass, make the pivot, drive for the layup. Now what we want to show is another move off of that. Start here, break up, break out, receive the pass. Always receiving a pass on the move. Make the pivot. Ordinarily we just drive. There's another move off of this, the rocker step. Put the ball on the hip, do half of a step, and then the rest. That's called a rocker step, and it's from the left-hand side. Catching it, a little bit, then the full. And you go in for the layup then. You want me to? There we go. Now we're on the other side of the court. You notice we use the left hand on that side and the left side. We're going to come over here and use the right side. We're trying to take advantage of the baseline. So you start in the lane, break up, break out, catch the ball, spin on 1 foot, reach with the other foot, and then the first move is just go right for the layup. Now we'll put the rocker step in there with the footwork required. Break up, break out and catch it, spin, basically start to go and then go. That would be the rocker step. Notice also the pass was received on the move, wasn't just standing there. You just stand there, somebody breaks in front of it, steals the ball. Start in here, come up, break out, spin, reach foot, go. The more distinct you can get the first step, the first part of the rocker, the board, the harder you go here, gets the defense to relax when you stop and then you go.